Hello everyone, my name is Shanika Simmons and I'm a freelance publicist and music blogger from Cornelia, Georgia. I'm currently pursuing my master's in public relations and have a BA in economics from Spelman College. I run and operate a music blog called BrokeToUp.com where I offer small online campaigns for independent musicians and a platform for them to get their voice out there and gain more exposure. In the example of Freddie Roach, Robert Greene really expounded upon the adaptation strategy that in my field there is a lot of changes. Being in public relations is always new strategies being developed, but as we enter into the digital world, it's easier to reach media, it's easier to reach the public. So public relations is being craftier with technology, with social media, with those creative aspects. My life's task, as Robert Greene would say, is developing and is changing to these circumstances. After graduating from Spelman College, I briefly interned with the startup public relations company, and then I was able to dive into the field and gain really hands-on experience of what publicists do on a day-to-day basis. However, the company, due to unforeseen circumstances, didn't last that very long. But I was able to see a startup really come from the bottom and from the trenches. And I realized that this is something that I can do if I manage myself wisely and I develop the strategies that I need for my clients. But it's not going to be a straight path. And as I seen when I got out of college, I was bouncing from job to job. But at the same time, my blog was doing very well. I realized that, as Robert Greene stated again, I'm not bound to this career, I'm not bound to this position, and I can continue to focus on my life task and focus it to its full expression. Similar to Freddie Roach, he loved the competition, not just being a boxer, but the atmosphere, the competition, the training, and that's how he was able to become a coach so effortlessly. He also noted that you have to take it step by step, and that's what I'm understanding in this. It is a step-by-step journey, and you do have to celebrate those small triumphs, but understand that those small steps is helping you create your base, your foundation. Robert Greene stated also on page 31 that in order to master a field, you must love the subject and feel a profound connection to it. That's one reason why I feel like being in public relations and joining this program, I have a connection to it. So I have a passion for it, and that's why I'm going to do this program, and I'm going to excel in it. And that's why I'm going to excel in my business as I develop the skills I need to do because of the connection and the passion that I have for it, that I want to master it. I want to be the best at it. Connecting the artists and connecting the people is so important because that's what I have to fall back on when I don't understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. My dream career is owning my own public relations firm for independent musicians and one day developing that into a recording studio or a record label. My goals for the next 2 weeks is one, to develop a schedule and a strategy for managing my time and trying to get ahead in the reading, as well as updating my resume so that I can look for PR, internship, or job opportunities.